Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this tutorial, we are just going to look at how you can use Fontawesome library, which is an icon toolkit in your web application. So Fontawesome, just like I've said, is an icon toolkit. So it's a set of icons that you can use in your web application, and make sure maybe use an icon that is going to appear maybe on your website. Maybe it's users, maybe it's user, maybe it's a calendar. So it's sort of like a library that provides you those free icons. So if this is you go to, for example, if you want to find out where the library is, you type Fontawesome and you access its website, which is called Fontawesome. And when you go to its website, or Fontawesome's website, you see start for free. Okay, so if you want to start for free, of course they have the commercial packages for you as well. So the first thing you do is to download the package or the library. So you come here, you can hover to the footer and be able to see a button called download. So you click download, and so when you click download, they bring you to this interface. Pro for web, free for web, pro for desktop, free for desktop. So we are using this for our web application. So in this case, we want a free package, so you are going to use this button, free for web. So you click on this and it's going to get downloaded. Okay, so you can save it maybe in a folder, maybe documents, or wherever where you'd like to store this zip file. So we are storing it in documents. So you shall hover over there and be able to access it. This is a zipped file. You extract it. So when you extract it, then you have the folder here. So you can just rename it from this one to just from Fontawesome 6.60 web to just Fontawesome. So 6.6.0 basically means that's the version that you've downloaded. Okay, so once you have unzipped or extracted it to this folder, you copy the folder or you cut it. Then we are going to include it in our project root directory, where basically we are coding our web application from. So I have my applications in projects, then portfolio. So I have my portfolio here. So I can create a folder called vendors, so that if I have other libraries or toolkits that I want to include in my web application, then I know they are found in a specific folder. So I include it there, so you can find it there. So when I open my application here in an IDE, then you realize that we have this folder of vendors, then Fontawesome, then CSS. So all you have to use when you go to this folder Fontawesome, you find different folders, but the one you're specifically interested in is CSS. Okay, so you open it, you find different files, but the one that is sufficient enough for you to use is all.min.css, meaning it is a minimized file. .min means it is unoptimized. That's why you see its file size is 96.5, and then the first one, which is all.css, is the 132. So this one is optimized, but it is good enough for you to use for to import some good icons that you can use in your web application. The next thing is we have to do is to import that CSS file. So we're going to head over here and we say link. We use the link to import our Fontawesome library. Then of course you put style sheet, and then href, you specify the directory in which you have that Fontawesome library. So it is in vendors, then Fontawesome, then CSS folder, and then all.min.css, and then we close our tag link where we are importing Fontawesome library. So after that, you can go ahead and use or import a link. Have an icon imported in your web application. So you can use the I tag or the italic tag, and then use a class. So we import the icons using class attribute of on a tag. Okay, so for Fontawesome to import an icon, use FA Fontawesome, then FA dash, then the name of the icon. Let's say user. Okay, so when you specify user and you open our web application, you realize that we have this icon for user, but it's very small, but you can increase its size using maybe styles. Maybe you say style equals maybe font size maybe 35 pixels. Okay, and when you come and refresh here, you realize that it's now big. Okay, you can change its color if you want. You can say color maybe blue. Okay, so if you hover back, you realize that your icon is what? When you go to the web browser, you find that it's blue. So you can import other icons, whatever icons you want. You can check Fontawesome website to get to know what other icons you can be able to use in your web application. For example, we have users. Okay, we have an icon called users. I can see you have different users. Okay, you have an icon of maybe calendar. Okay, you have an icon for calendar, so you can go there and over you have this calendar icon. So you have, for example, an icon for a car. Okay, for a car. So if you go back there, you see you have the car. So how do you get to know these icons that you can use in your web application? You hover over, you search through Fontawesome, website, and you go to tab called icons, and then you can explore different icons. For example, free and open source icons, and then it will open a list of icons that you can use. You can see all these icons. There is Twitter, there is an image, there is phone. For example, you see that we have phone here. So if I come back and then I use this phone icon, then I check my website here, you're seeing that we have this phone icon. You have another one maybe called a hat. Yeah, you have a hat here. So you can you change this to hat, and maybe you change the color to we have hat, and then maybe we change the color to red. When you hover back here and you check our website, you can see you have the hat. So that's basically how you can use Fontawesome library to import icons in your web application. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can be of help to you. Please comment in the comment section. Please subscribe so that you can receive notification whenever we upload a new video. So this is Pivot of Coding Academy, where we mentor young people in software development. So our goal is to make sure that we can reach as many as young people who want to upskill in software development, or those ones who are very passionate about software development careers. So thank you for coming through. Keep subscribing, keep watching our videos so that you can be better in terms of software development skills. Thank you, and see you in the next video.